Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Aquarius. So if you have your sun, moon, rising or your Saturn is sitting in the sign of Aquarius, this is the reading for you guys. The first card that I have for you guys is the Eight of Pentacles. So a lot of you, there could be circumstances or there could be things in your life, especially when it comes to your career and when it comes to getting money. You guys have to work really, really hard. It does seem like for some reason things are not coming as quickly to you as they come to other people, so you might actually be struggling, and you might feel like you have to work harder than the other people. But then you also have to remember, in Indian astrology, the sign of Aquarius is ruled by the planet Saturn, and Saturn actually depicts hard work. So a lot of hard work is needed for you guys, and that's something that you have to do, and only then will you be able to make progress moving forward. The next card that I have for you guys is the Knight of Pentacles. See, so the Knight of Pentacles combined with the Eight of Pentacles, what it's telling you is that success is going to come to you. You have been promised success by the universe, but it is not going to come as soon as you expect it to. So you have a good news coming towards you. If something has been pending, you have to receive money from somebody. Well, your person is working to collect that money so that they can give it to you, but in terms of the timeline, I think money is going to come a little slower than expected, so it's not going to happen super fast. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Two of Cups card. Two of Cups tells me that whenever it happens, it's going to make you very happy. So if I have to see, in terms of timeline, when can you expect something, because I have the Pentacles card, I am not going to lie to you. So something in the season of May. So May, you should have something in May, or something might, a good news might come to you in the month of May. So that is for sure. Let's see what other messages we have for you. The next card that I have for you guys is Three of Pentacles. See, a lot of Pentacles card, you might have to collaborate with people. So for people, who are in a business and they feel like their business has come to a point of standstill and they can't do anything about it, well, my suggestion to you is collaborate with other people. Reach out to other people in your industry, or reach out to your stakeholders and work with them on a team effort, or come up with a new marketing campaign or things like that. So if you are an entrepreneur, you work by yourself, and this is a very good idea for you to actually move out and collaborate with other people, because this is going to give you a lot of people. This is going to give you the engagement and the attention that you require. The next card that I have for you guys is the Four of Swords. So what has happened, I think, because the growth or the money that has to flow to you is coming very slow, so it might have left you very disappointed. So these three swords, right on the wall, depict some kind of disappointment. They depict some kind of heartbreak that has already happened, and you're trying to get out of this heartbreak. And for this, for you to come out of this energy, you need to strategize. You need to really think what you want moving forward, and I think that's something that has stopped you from taking this collaborative action, because you're not really sure whether this final try is going to help you or not. For a lot of you, I feel like you want to move out of your current job. It seems like things are going in a rut. You want to go out, you want to explore. If you have been working by yourself, you could be desiring to work with a new team, or you could be desiring to work with a different team, and so far you have not made this decision, in a sense that you have not taken any physical action towards it. You're just thinking, it's still going on in your head. At the bottom of the deck, I have the World card. So the World card tells me whatever cycle it is soon going to come to an end, and you will soon be starting a new cycle. For some of you, it could also mean travel is on the cards for you. So very soon you could be traveling to a new place, either for work or to start your new life altogether. Let's see what other cards I have. So the next card that I have for you guys is the Devil card. So Devil card tells me, moving forward, you're going to have very strong workaholic tendencies. That means you are going to be overworked. A lot of you might be drinking a lot of caffeine. You might be drinking a lot of Coke, coffee, because you have to get things done and you have to finish things. I do see some of you have not been paying equal attention to your family because of work. There's just too much going on with the devil card. If you have your own business, this month seems to be really amazing. At least the next 6 months are super amazing for you, because I do see you making a lot of progress. I do see you, having that energy or that passion or that commitment towards your work, because the devil card also represents commitment. And it's a very good card to get in case of a finance or a career reading, because it says you are committed to the work. The next card that I have for you guys is the Knight, is the King of Pentacles. So I think something you've got to observe is, like, out of all the cards, a lot of them are Pentacles card. What Pentacles card are trying to tell you is that you are destined for abundance, especially monetary abundance. You are going to get it. It's just a matter of time, because for a lot of you, because the sign of Aquarius is ruled by Saturn, and Saturn matures at a very later age of about 36. So that is when you guys are finally going to be financially stable, or financially in a better place than before. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Fool card, which tells me you are going to be open to new opportunities. So a lot of you might be jumping into doing work or doing things that you have no experience doing before, and that's a very good thing. Now, if you look at the three cards right here, what you guys need to realize is, out of this card, these two cards are very prominent, in a sense they are from the major arcana, and what this is telling you is that something is coming to an end very soon. If you guys have not thought about it, I do feel some of you might be quitting your job, or you might start something of your own. So if you have been in corporate style, or you've been doing a job, I do feel like you want out, you want to start something of your own, and you are going to do it. And for a very small group of you, it is going to be something entirely different that you have never done before, yet you have been inspired to do it. Let's see what other cards we have from the Moonology deck. The first card that I have for you guys is the, see, you're getting the Aquarius sign again. Even from the Moonology deck, you have the Aquarius card. Show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So full moon talks about completion of a cycle. Something that you were supposed to complete is going to get completed. And the very a very interesting fact about the sign of Aquarius are, these people have a lot of knowledge. It's like having this pitcher of water, but we don't know whether there's water inside it or not. And also it's sort of like a semi-human sign, because you have a lady. So these people are also very attuned to the emotions, and they are sort of psychic in that sense. The next card that I have for you guys is a time for healing. So healing is coming, healing is going to happen. For a lot of people, who I said are kind of stuck in this job and they don't want to do this job, I feel like moving forward, you are going to be in a better place. Things are going to move ahead for you. Let me know if this reading resonates. Don't forget to check your readings by your date of birth, and I will see you guys next time.